wondered how to turbocharge your auto repair business? How to get that cutting-edge equipment or expand your garage to accommodate more customers? You're not alone. Many auto repair shop owners face these challenges daily. Enter empowermentfunds.com. We provide the financial fuel to drive your auto repair business to the next level. With us, you can secure the funding needed to upgrade your shop, invest in the latest tools, or even open a new branch. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to Joe, the owner of Joe's Auto Repair. Before I found Empowerment Funds, I was struggling to keep up with the competition. My shop was small and my tools were outdated. I knew I needed to upgrade, but I didn't have the funds. Then I discovered empowermentfunds.com. I applied for a loan, and within days I had the money I needed. Today my shop is twice the size and I've got the latest equipment. My business has never been better. That's the power of Empowerment Funds. We believe in empowering small businesses and helping them reach their full potential. And we do it fast. Our application process is simple and quick, and our approval rates are high. We work with you to understand your needs and provide a loan that suits your business. So why wait? Give your auto repair shop the boost it needs. Apply for a loan at empowermentfunds.com today. Empower your business. Fuel your success.